Obrigado.
Okay. How are we going to?
Okay.
We'll
So-
divide or we start with the one item.
But I like it. So three major part is mechanical. I think it'll go pretty quickly, so we'll do discuss mechanical first,
Okay.
and then ICT,
Okay.
and then for architecture, I have a question because the since that Beta Airport has a short-term plan for remodeling and modernization of the airport. And Exim Airport, the Korea Import-Export Airport, who's dealing with this ODA project, is concerned that we may be spending money for the same thing here and there. So I need to solve it's a conflict or serious conflict or not. I need to discuss. Probably you will be the counter, right? You'll be able to. So shall we do the mechanical? I think it'll be mechanical too. We'd like to discuss the mechanical system. This will be appropriate as our proposal. When we go to the Maputo Airport, the air conditioning equipment is standalone equipment, but we want the air conditioning to be part of the integrated system. So instead of a standalone equipment, we want the air to be served from the ceiling or the floor or as a part of the building. So, and then go stop. Okay. And he's gonna present in Korea and then I'll translate into Korean.
Okay. Just to explain, Maputo, we also have the system for all buildings, the integrated
All buildings,
system.
but do you
That
use
standalones
it?
are-
Do you use both systems?
Yes, that's just standalone is a backup system. We installed,
backup system.
Yeah,
I
we installed
see,
that
I
because
see.
some problems we got at past. So that's a redundant system. So we have two systems
I
there.
see, I see. 에어컨이 전에
We have chillers in Maputo.
왜 베이라는 그냥 이렇게 베이라는 한 번에 지금 이렇게 다 장비가 다 서 있잖아요. 이렇게 별도로. 그래서 마포도 그런 줄 알았더니 그냥 이런 공주 시스템도 있고 그다음에 백업으로 서 있는 장비는 그냥 백업으로 세우는 거죠. 두 가지가 다 있고. So do you have a standalone backup system because the power system is unstable?
No, because the main system had some problems at the few years ago. So as a quick way to solve that, we installed that small system, that redundant system. So now both systems are working. We repaired that problem we got at the past. So the two systems are working.
Okay, so you run the both system at the same time.
Yes. Just because we cannot switch off any of them. We always have to put that working just to keep it without problems. Mechanic system must always be working. So that's why the two of them are working.
이게 다 돌려야 문제가 좀 덜 발생해요.
이거 중앙 시스템 문제가 있어가지고
그럴 수 있지.
그걸로 갖다
저기서는
베이라
거기서 아니 여기도.
여기
네네.
그건 뭐 저희가 신고할 때는
하면
저기
돼요.
하면 돼요. 베이라 펜바 공항에 대한 그 기계 설비 시스템을 말씀드리겠습니다.
So now we're gonna talk about proposal for beta and pemba.
Yes.
네, 여론 공급 시스템은 냉동기에 의한 공급 방식으로 선정했습니다.
We propose heat source. For heat source, we propose hot and cold water supply by air-cooled refrigerators.
네, 냉난방 장비로는 공기 조화기 및 팬쿨 유니트를 적용했습니다.
For indoor heating and cooling equipments, we are proposing air handling units and fan cool units. Both.
그리고 위생설비 시스템은 저수와 부스터 펌프에 의한 방식으로 계획을 했습니다.
For sanitary facility system, we propose underground reservoir and booster pumps. This is the upward supply method.
자동 제어 시스템을 DDC 컨트롤 방식으로 계획을 했습니다.
For automatic control system, the DDC control method is proposed.
그리고 이제 오른쪽에는 이제
To your right, the drawings, diagrams.
베이라 펜바 공항의 그 주요 장비 배치 계획입니다.
This is the layout for the major equipment placement plan for Beta and Pemba respectively.
다음 페이지.
Next page.
네. 이제 이건 딱 큰 건데 앞에 설명한 것처럼.
These are the diagram of the proposed systems.
네. 근데 여론 공급 계획은 이제 공냉식 냉동기에 의한 중앙 방식으로 안정적인 여론 공급이 되도록 계획했습니다.
We proposed air-cooled chiller so that it is efficient heat source facility.
그리고 이런 실내 환경 개선을 위한 공기조화 계획으로 홀 오피스 계통의 중앙 공조 시스템 적용으로 실내 공기질이 개선되도록 했습니다.
So, in order to improve indoor air quality, we proposed central air conditioning system.
그리고 오른쪽
The top right hand side, the diagram here, for restaurant.
식당과 주방에는 이제 음식 냄새가 이제 확산되지 않도록 주방을 음압으로 계획을 했습니다.
Okay, so we will provide a negative pressure control to prevent the spread of the smell of food. The diagram on the left bottom side.
기계 전기실 환기 계획은 습기와 열을 제거하기 위해서 급기 및 배기팬을 각각 적용했습니다.
To remove humidity at the mechanical and electrical room, we will provide ventilation. Good effective ventilation system. The bottom middle diagram.
실내 환경 안전성 확보를 위해서 프리필터, 미들필터, 그다음에 수도기, 스틸라이저 이런 계획을 해서 먼지나 세균으로부터 안전성을 확보할 수 있도록 계획했습니다.
Okay. To ensure indoor environmental safety, we propose these items, including pre-filter, medium filter, and sterilizer.
그래서 먼지와 세균을 제거합니다. 마지막으로 위생 계획은
The plumbing.
저수조와 부스 펌프에 의한 급수 공급을 계획을 통해서 안정적으로 급수가 공급될 수 있도록 계획했습니다.
Okay, this is about sanitary facility system, upward supply method using reservoir and booster pump is proposed. And then this will provide a very stable the plumbing system. So I hope this our proposal is appropriate for the new modern system.
Precisamos de aquecimento?
No. Yeah, começar aí. Yes, we just talk about we have here heat and cold, but at Pemba, in our country generally, we almost don't have a very cold winter. So we almost, for example, Pemba, almost all year we in summer. Or it's always hot. So
right.
we usually don't need heat in Mozambique. We use always cold system. Heat system we most of time we don't use. For example, I don't know that. Yeah, and that chillers we have in Mozambique. Some technician told us that the heat system, because of we are not using, that's why we caused the problem we had with the equipment in at past. So we had to repair it without heat system. So maybe it's good to have a system without heating. Maybe it could be cheaper
Okay.
and it's
That's very
better.
practical. How about beta also no?
Better also.
All-
Yeah,
all-
all the country.
We don't use
Yeah,
only cold.
Okay.
but Pemba is summer all year, almost a year in
Yeah.
summer.
In case of weather change.
You don't use
Yes.
in Mozambique.
Yeah, just a jacket, you are good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, people at the north of the country, some regions, they don't have jackets because all the year they don't need.
Okay. Yeah.
But here in Maputo, we need sometimes
In
jacket.
winter, we have minimum temperature about the 15.
Yeah, 15.
15,
Yeah.
17.
So
Yeah.
we don't need. And inside the building, we can have 20 or more than 20 in winter.
Yeah.
So no need.
Don't need.
Yeah, no need.
But hot water is needed. Hot water for
Hot water,
shower,
yes. Hot water.
Yeah.
But in the airport, usually we're not using hot water. So our system has no hot water. We use in our houses, but in public buildings, we don't use hot water.
Don't need.
So no
Yeah.
boiler would be
No.
preferred,
No,
or
no.
for,
Nothing for hot water.
Sometimes the airport has a shower booth for the
For,
transport.
for the lounges.
Yeah.
But é que vai ser uma coisa.
Maybe we can make a
Separated system.
Take a shower at home.
isolated system only for
Just
that.
was saying.
Particular.
Maybe
yeah.
for tech.
VIP.
VIP.
Yes. But in general, we don't use hot water in public buildings. In our airports, all of them, we were not using this.
That's a good point.
다 쓰기 때문에.
네, VIP 시설 외에는
So, another question, that system, for example, for beta, must always work all together. They work all together all the time. If I need to switch on, or we have some reservation, if one is damaged, the others can
이거가 항상 다 돌아가냐 아니면은 얘가 뭐 메인으로 돌아가면 백업이냐 그 리던던시거든요.
아, 일단은
Maybe one for backup or two backup. We can just work with two of these.
백업이 뭐 한 개냐?
백업은 없는데 순차적으로 돌아가는 것이고 부하가 이제 1분만 걸리면 한 대만 돌 것이고 100% 부하일 때는 네 대가 다 돈다 그런 개념으로 보시면
Okay, depending on the cooling load,
Okay.
the load, it could be one equipment could be used, or the load it gets higher, all the equipment will be used. So for now, there's no backup system.
Yes.
But do you expect for us to provide a backup equipment, right?
Yeah.
For
No,
redundancy.
normally it's necessary because
It
that
is.
system, if one of that stage is not good, it's not working, and I need the maximum power, there's a problem. Yeah. So to always have a backup, maybe we can take time to repair. There's also a problem. So I need the system. So I must have some backup. Just if I have two off, the others can work while I'm working on this to repair.
That's good point.
That's good.
만약에 고친
그러니까 100% 부하는 평소에 이게 발생할 빈도가 되게 낮거든요.
아,
여러분들에 그래서 저희는 백업이 필요 없다고 생각을 했거든요.
아 그러면
그리고 운전을 어떻게 하냐면 한 대가 항상 도는 게 아니라 교본으로 이제 오늘 얘가 돌면 다음 날은 얘가
아
돌고,
백업이 되네.
다음 날은 얘가 돌 것이고 그런 식으로 교본 운전이 되기 때문에 만약에 필요하다면 백업을 줄 수는 있다.
It's also
원한다면.
backup.
네.
Backup system because it doesn't use all the time.
it'll reach the maximum load at a very rare time. So typically, most of the time, there will be only one or a couple, just half of the equipment will be running,
Yeah.
and then probably
You can turn off one or two
for
at a time. So wait
repair.
for repair.
But if you think it is really critical to have one extra backup equipment, we can do that. We can design it that way too.
Okay. So that chiller systems. So you choose chiller. Why don't choose VRV for example?
치아가 뭐예요?
냉동기.
냉동기.
One more time.
That's chillers
실버.
system. So we cannot choose, for example, VRV system. VRV, VRV,
VAB.
VRV, R,
RV.
yes, RV.
First tempo.
Variable.
Ventilation. What
VRV,
stands for?
Okay.
What does it stand for?
Verified.
Is it secret? It's secret.
다른 시스템을 말씀하신 것도 저는
아 이게 그 개별 에어컨 얘기하는 거예요. 우리가
A variable
이 칩은 개별
refrigerant.
Volume.
Variable refrigerant. Yeah,
베리어블.
refrigerant.
아, variable refrigerator. 아, variable refrigerant volume. 이거 like this.
Tem um sistema de risco que leva água,
에어컨이네 에어컨.
ocupa muito.
그러니까 중앙 개별로 왜 안 했냐 이
예, 개별로 나눠서 이렇게 나눈 거.
That system
Divide
we
the-
don't need water. Chillers we need water, refrigeration, and the maintenance is different than that VRV system. So I don't know. Because sometimes our maintenance here, men of spare parts, we have to import. So the chiller is a big system. It's sometimes difficult for maintenance for us. So we must analyze other systems. So VRV, for example, is different. We have small system and it stands for.
어렵다고.
Must analyze, just to analyze
하겠다고 하고
another
넘어가는 게
system.
좋을 것 같아요.
지금 너무
맞아.
상세하게 할 필요 없는데 이게 이제 뭐
근데
수입에
들어보는
대고
건 좋죠.
뭐 중앙 시스템에 대해서 관리하기 힘드니까.
But we like to bring this chiller system from Korea and install it at Pima.
Yeah.
O problema não tem essa mãe.
Now, esse sistema de ver
이게 고장났을 경험이 있어서 그런 것
tem
같아요.
uma manutenção muito
문제가
difícil.
뭐
Está
não,
uma
melhor
coisa
do
que
que
já
그런 거 같은데
aconteceu.
요즘에
Qual é a tua proposta?
근데 현대화하려면
Minha
이렇게
proposta
Ou
é
seja,
eles têm sistema verde, é uma coisa mais compacta, ocupa menos espaço, tem solar nos terraços e ele distribui para as salas
그래서
mesmo
이거
Não melhora isso.
그냥 이게 미세요. 그냥 미시고 이게 지금 그 강추 한번 더 하세요. 이거 한꺼번에 안에도 한두 개만 돌아도
Melhor dizemos logo, agora que preferimos outro sistema.
Yeah,
Não é isso?
porque chillers para
Mas você
precisar.
chillers-
Depois água de Pemba tem muita salinidade. Não sabemos se vamos garantir sempre o tratamento.
이거 메이드 인 코리아죠.
아니 그건 다양해요. 다양해요.
응?
What I'm saying is that the chiller is difficult to maintain for us. That's why the better for us is this one. Yeah. This does not use water. And this uses water. And the water in Pemba is not very good. Have salt.
아,
Yes, and then
근데
it will need the filters to filter the water.
Tem produtos
물이 안 좋아서
que
빨리
não
망가진다고.
mas, por exemplo, aqui nunca experimenteu aqui.
Yeah.
Experiência também.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you for your valid comment. Good job. That's good.
Yes.
이거 이 다음에 이거지. 아 이거 한 다음에
Any other question?
I think that's the best.
That's the major. Okay.
Yeah.
About
Okay.
the plumbing plan, we'll not say anything today. We will analyze this.
Okay.
And we can talk later about this or about also this
Okay.
to food and beverage air conditions plan. Yes, we can talk later.
But sorry,
Right.
I did not get perceber isso. I would like to understand this last item for in the first page, automatic control system, the DDC control method. Is for which system that is supposed to put this automatic control system?
Onde é que é isso?
Primeira folha.
Ah, ok.
자동 제어인데 이게 다이렉트 디지털 컨트롤.
Ok.
다이렉트 디지털 컨트롤.
DDC stand for Direct Digital Control.
For which system that you want to integrate this kind of automatization?
얘네가 그
That is for air conditioning.
중앙제
일반적으로 중앙 관계센터나 이런 기계실 옆에 중앙 관리실에서 뭐 팬코일이나 팬이나 펌프 이런 걸 다 중앙에서 관리하고 기동 정지 상태 감시라든가 다 제어가 가능하다 그런 시스템이라고 보시면 돼요.
So
일반적인
your question again, what do you?
No, I would like to know in which system that we are going to implement it, that we are going to use the control system. What you want to control automatically. The question is what you want to control automatically with that system.
뭐를
fan.
자동으로?
fan.
냉동기, 공조기,
근데
팬코일,
칠러, 팬 코일,
팬 코일.
AHU,
AHU, 팬코일, 칠러,
the ventilation,
펌프,
pump ventilation.
ventilation,
We receive the all data.
이건 이제
One modem that is a digital come to the central control room.
All right, all for air
All,
conditions.
yeah, controls. DDC is directly digital systems, and we are gathering the all data from all equipment and make one central control room.